In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 reasons why you should avoid selling your services too cheap. Don't go anywhere.
Out in Ohio where the rents are fly. Got a man named Mike, he's your wash.
Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike. They call me The Fresh Rents, and I'm very grateful that you've chosen to watch the video today. If you have not already liked and subscribed, be sure and do that and then hit the bell tab. That way you'll never miss another video. Also, leave a comment. Tell me what you think about the video today. So it seems like there's this hot topic in our industry and maybe every industry, and I'm sure it's always been here. We call these people the $99 guys. But the fact of the matter is, even the $999 guys can often be too cheap. I want to give you 10 reasons why you need to avoid being the cheap guy in your wash area. Hey guys, real quick. As most of you already know, I recently launched my new Patreon channel, Xclusively Fresh. The jury is back and it's a big hit with all the members. Text the word XFresh to the number on the screen and I'll personally send you the link to the membership form. Or you can simply click the link in the comment section of this video. Xclusively Fresh is jam-packed with exclusive content such as a daily motivational video sent to your email every morning, Monday through Friday. Long-form videos where we head back into the lab to break down all the numbers of particular wash jobs. We have live video meetings where all the members gather together to talk about all things pressure washing. We even have a monthly pressure washing challenge just to make things fun. And all of that doesn't even scratch the surface of what you'll enjoy as a member of Xclusively Fresh. I can't wait to see you there. Now back to the video. Number one, perceived value. When you price your services too low, customers automatically perceive your services as inferior. High quality work often commands a higher price because homeowners associate cost with value. If your price is too low, it can undermine your experience and the quality of your services. Customers will question your skills and whether you can meet their needs. By pricing your services appropriately, you reinforce the value that you provide. Number two, sustainability. Selling your services at a low price can lead to an unsustainable business model. Lower prices may not cover your costs, and this leads to a financial strain, of course. As a result, you'll experience burnout, and as you work harder for less, you'll end up throwing in the towel. Sustainable prices allow you to invest back into your business, improve your services, and this maintains a healthy work-life balance. In the long run, sustainable prices support longevity in your business, and your customers can feel confident that you'll be around the next time that they need you. Number three, customer expectations. It's true. Lower pricing seems to always attract customers with unrealistic expectations. When a homeowner pays less, for whatever reason, they seem to expect more concessions. They want extra services, and they want all of this without paying additional costs. This can lead to, of course, misunderstandings and dissatisfaction on both your end and their end. So establishing a mutually beneficial price sets a clear expectation and communicates the level of service that the homeowner can then anticipate. It helps to cultivate a professional relationship between you and the homeowner based on respect. Number four is what I call competitor positioning. Hear me out. You've heard this before. Competing solely on price only harms your position in your wash area. When you undercut your competitors, it leads to a race to the bottom where everyone sacrifices quality for lower prices. And I got to tell you, this only serves to devalue the entire industry, and it makes it hard for people like myself who are trying their best to build a sustainable business model. Strong prices help to reflect your true value, and it differentiates you from your competitors. It establishes you as a credible player in your wash area. Number five, impact on quality. Low pricing can force you to compromise on quality. If you're not earning enough when you're washing, you'll want to cut corners just to save time or to save chemicals, etc. And this is what happens. This results in subpar service, leading to dissatisfied customers. And even more importantly, it damages your reputation. So higher pricing allows you to invest in better equipment. It allows you to invest in training and better marketing. And ultimately, this enhances the quality of your work, and your customer satisfaction will be at an all-time high. Number 6, time investment. Selling your services too cheap. It requires you to work harder for the same amount of money. I mean, you'll find yourself taking on more and more customers just to make ends meet because you didn't charge enough the first time. This leads to chaos in your schedule, and this, I believe, will reduce the quality of your services and your personal well-being. So by setting appropriate prices, you can work smarter, not harder, and the balance can lead to better outcomes for you and your customers. Number 7, market positioning. Your pricing strategy plays a key role in how you position yourself in the market. So like a low price can trap you into a specific market of customers. On the other hand, a well-considered price reflects your expertise, it reflects your value, and it allows you to attract the right clientele who value your services and they value you. Remember this, if you cater to the wealthy, you can always wash for the less fortunate. But if you cater to the less fortunate, you'll never be able to attract those who can actually afford your true value. Number 8, brand building. Listen to me. Your pricing contributes to your brand identity. Low prices can create a perception of being the budget item, and no one wants to be someone's fallback plan. Establishing premium pricing, that premium pricing model, it positions you as an expert, as an authority in your wash area. It allows for better brand recognition and loyalty from customers who appreciate top quality work. A brand, a strong brand, it attracts homeowners who are willing to pay for the value that you provide. Number 9, almost as big as number 10, and it's true, it's a big one, customer loyalty. Customers who pay higher prices for whatever reason often demonstrate greater loyalty. When a homeowner invests more in your services, they're more likely to value your services, and then they stick around for the long haul. On the other hand, low prices can lead to more of a transactional relationship, where customers jump from one washer to another simply based on price. You don't want this. Establishing a higher pricing fosters a sense of partnership and commitment, and it fosters this loyalty where that they refer you more and more to their family and friends, thus picking up even more business. And finally, number 10, the moment we've been waiting for. This is the big one. Low prices cause an unscalable business model. So selling your services at a low price, it hinders your ability to scale your business. If you're focused on high volume only, like high volume, low prices, then you're going to miss opportunities to invest back into the business for the sake of scaling the business. However, higher pricing lets you invest your money on growth, the growth of the business, not just spending money in hopes of keeping your head above water. So ultimately, a focus on growth can elevate your business to heights otherwise unimaginable. Now, you know that over the years, I've really pushed my high volume, fair price business model, and I still do. But if your prices are too low, the high volume of customers that you get will be the type of clients that you will not want long term. When you're pricing your services higher, you put customers first because you can better guarantee that you're going to be there for them when they need you year after year after year. And one final word on this matter. Remember this one thing. The only people that you hurt by being cheap is your family. And if you're okay with that, well, that's for another video. So have a great day.